At ROG, we don't just build PCs. We build icons for a community that refuses to settle.
The most important aspect of a gaming PC is whether you can rely on it when it matters most.
We take inspiration from cyberpunk and futuristic industrial design, blending raw texture with bold, aggressive geometry. The result is something that feels alive, expressive, different. The 45-degree slash, for example, isn't just a visual detail. It represents our mindset to break away from convention and redefine what gaming hardware can look like.
At ROG, performance means nothing without stability. And that's why thermal engineering is something we're obsessed with. Across our system, we design multi-zone airflow architectures to isolate critical components and maintain consistent thermal balance. At the same time, we continue to push the limits of liquid cooling, integrating high-performance pumps and advanced heat-sink designs to maximize heat transfer efficiency.
But we also care about the invisible experience, the acoustic engineering. We fine-tune every fan curves, so that even during the most intensive gaming sections, you hear the game, not the machine. We simulate the toughest real-world scenarios, from G-force drops and vibration tests.
No throttling, no instability, just consistent, reliable power.
We've already pushed these machines further than you ever will.
Because in the end, gamers shouldn't have to think about their system. They should be able to focus on the moment, the competition, the win.
It's a bold statement of power and style, crafted without compromise.
And that philosophy extends into lighting as well. We don't just think of lighting as a decoration, it is emotion. With Aura Creator and Armory Crate, we are giving you a canvas, a way to express mood, identity, even energy.
But what truly defines ROG is our validation process.
So that, when you sit down to play, the only thing you have to worry about is your next move.
And behind that confidence is everything we've built into ROG.
To us, a gaming desktop isn't just hardware. It is a statement, it is a reflection of who you are as a gamer.
That's why ROG isn't just powerful, it's trusted.
This is the Republic of Gamers.